Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you VidaXL Dropshipping for Shopify tutorial. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, how do we install VidaXL Dropshipping here into our Shopify store and start using it? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and log in into your Shopify account. So go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and access your store. Now, we need to install the VidaXL Dropshipping app. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to your settings at the bottom left here. And you want to go to the apps and sales channel option. And in here, you want to go and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now, from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for VidaXL. Now, go to search apps, guides, and more. Just type in VidaXL and basically search for it. Now, you should be able to see a bunch of apps here. So what we need to do is we need to choose VidaXL Dropshipping. Click on it. And from here, click on the install button that you see there. Now, it's going to ask you if you really want to install the app itself. So in this case, you want to go and just confirm it. Now, it might load a bit slow here. Let's go and click on install once it's actually loaded up. And from here, what we need to do is we need to start setting up VidaXL Dropshipping. Now, there are going to be some requirements and some details I need to fill out here. Now, by the way, you need to approve the payment here. So you could use the 14-day free trial here that will end on the 14th day. So after that, you need to pay like around $29 in order for you to keep using it. So for now, let's go ahead and click on the approve button. Now, we've just approved the free trial here. What we need to do here is we need to go to the setup wizard. Let's go ahead and click on let's do this. Now, it's going to ask you a bunch of details here. So that includes the email here that you want to use, that is used to connect to your VidaXL account, and also the API key from the VidaXL account itself. So from here on, you just need to follow the on-screen steps here for you to set up your VidaXL Dropshipping account. Now, by the way, if you don't have a VidaXL or Dropshipping XL account yet, you can go and click on Get One here. And from here, they will guide you in creating your account. So in this case, just click on the Get Started here. Or in this case, let's get started. Choose your country and proceed on the sign up process. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.